Good evening and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we will talk about watch mystery movies. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answer, just share your experience and opinion. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Have you ever watched a murder mystery movie?
Yes, I had watched a murder mystery.
When did you watch it?
I watched it 2 weeks ago.
Where did you watch the movie?
I watched it at the cinema.
Who did you watch it with?
I watched it with my cousin.
What was the movie about?
The movie was about a detective solving a mystery killer.
Did you enjoy the movie? Why or why not?
Yes, I enjoyed the movie because it's amazing and exciting and I have a lot of jump scare.
Was the movie scary or exciting?
The movie was scary and also excited at the same time.
Who was your favorite character in the movie?
My favorite character in the movie was the detective.
Would you like to watch another mystery movies?
Yes, I would like to watch another mystery movie.
How did you feel after watching the movie?
I feel exciting and curious about the movie.
Excellent work. You did very well today. Thank you for sharing your answer and idea. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and enjoy learning through stories and movies.
Teacher.